Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can do AI text to speech option, how you can use this option on the Vidnoz AI website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Vidnoz website and we have to create our account. And after account creation, simply we have to scroll down and after that we will get these options, AI tools option. So we have to click on this option. And after clicking on this option, as you can see, I'm going to cut this one here. So as you can see now, simply you will get this option which is called AI text to speech. So we have to click on this option. And as you can see now, simply what we have to do, we have to provide the text here. So for example, I'm going to open the chat GPT here and we have to write the simple script, or you have to write the short script which we can paste there. For example, I'm going to copy which is already made it. So as you can see now, let's go to back. And now here simply we have to choose the voiceover, that which voiceover you want to use. You can choose any voiceover which it's up to you, that which you are choosing. I have choose this one, Monica, and now I'm going to copy this description here. So let's click on this and we have to copy this and we have to go to this option and we have to paste this description here, as you can see. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete these options here. And now simply you will get the generate audio option. So let's click on the generate audio. You can also control the voice options as well. You can make changes. And after that your audio will be generated and that will be ready and that it will be ready to use. So as you can see now it's generated. If you want to listen this, let's click on it. So as you can see, this is the AI voiceover is generated. Now if you want to download this audio, we have to click on this and the audio will be downloaded. So in this way you can generate AI text to speech on the Vidnoz AI website. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.